Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, reviewin natin itong pinadala ng Melody Susie na nail dryer. So ito yung kanilang P+30G polish curing lamp. So as you can see here, may warranty card na kasama. And then ito yung pinaka-unit. So yung pinaka-unit is very light. Ito nga pala yung first ever na nail lamp ko na rechargeable. So, as you can see, yung pusa ko dito. Mahilig siya sa box. So, ayan. Pero, alisin muna natin siya para makapag-review tayo ng maayos. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-unit, guys. So, I chose yung kanilang white color. So, meron silang mga color option. I think may pink and then may white. Magnetic tong pinaka niya sa ilalim. And as you can see, marami siyang LED light. Lahat ng merong LED light. So, lahat talaga, kahit yung pinaka-thumb, pwede nyong isabay pag nag-cure kayo. So, yun yung itsura niya. And then, magnetic tong na cover niya sa ilalim. So, pwede nyong gamitin to sa paa kasi spacious siya. So, pag gagamitin nyo sa paa, tanggalin nyo lang yung cover. And then, as you can see, ayan, merong guide kung saan nyo lalagay yung mga daliri nyo. Pero, I don't recommend this kung mahilig kayong maglagay ng mahabang nail extension. Hindi siya mag-fit. And then for this one, I didn't know na rechargeable pala siya. So, I found out na rechargeable siya. So, as you can see here, hindi siya naka-plug sa power cord. And then, it comes with 99 seconds para sa painless mode with a forward timer. And then, meron siyang 60 seconds and meron siyang 30 seconds. Meron siyang infrared sensor as well. So, it corresponds to each timing mode. And then, may long light mode din siya. So, you can press and hold the 30 seconds and 90 seconds button simultaneously for 3 seconds to enter long light mode. So, ayan siya. So, as you can see, automatic na siya kasi may infrared sensor siya. So, ito nga pala yung aking lumang UV LED lamp from Sun. So, I've been using this ever since I started this channel, guys. So, as you can see, sobrang dirty niya na, sobrang dumi na. Pero it still works. But yeah, I've been using this for like what, 4 or 5 years now, and it's really affordable as well. So I got this from Philippines nga pala sa Shopee, and then now I have a new baby which is my Melody Susie nail lamp. So as you can see, medyo bulky yung sun lamp ko compare sa Melody Susie. And ayan, sobrang heavy lang din nung sun lamp ko. So ayan yung comparison ko. And again, I will be using Melody Susie nail drill as well, and even yung bits ko is from Melody Susie. So this is my favorite removal bit, nail dust collector. It's also from Melody Susie. So dito guys, ikakat ko lang yung aking extension. I'm just removing my previous set. I will also show you guys kung gaano katagal maglalas yung nail lamp for this set. So I will be doing both hands today. So I'll be showing you guys how long can the lamp last. Okay, after nyan, I will be using the Melody Susie nail file para i-file yung aking natural nails. And then I'll be pushing back my cuticle. Also, you can go ahead and follow Melody Susie sa kanilang mga social media. And then, yung website nila. And then, sa Amazon, meron din sila sa Amazon. You can use Nailcoholics 12 para makakuha kayo ng 12% na discount sa any Melody Susie products. But it will only apply sa kanilang website. So, I will be leaving all the link in the description box. So, just click the link in the description box, guys. And then, yeah, again, if you want to purchase anything from Melody Susie website, you can use my code Nailcoholics12. And these are my natural nails. So, I'm ready for my extension. As you can see, ito yung pinaka-natural nails ko. Okay pa naman siya. I don't know kung ano ang gagamitin kong extension, but let's see. I want almond kasi ayoko yung shape na ginawa ko last time. So, these are all my tips, guys. So, hanggang dun yan sa likod. Sa likod. And then, I still have my... Let me show you this. These are my tips from Philippines pa. This is from JL Essentials. So, I love their product. So, kung nasa Philippines ka, maganda yung mga product ng JL Essentials. So, yung nag-start pa lang ako, JL Essential yung mga gamit ko. And also, highly recommend ko yung kanilang, what do you call this? Highly recommend ko yung kanilang builder gel. So, I'm guessing, maybe this one? Gelex Apray. I like the size of this one. So, let's see. Tingnan mo naman to. Diba? Kahit na anong ginagawa ko, nandun din siya. Let's put that back. Excuse me. So, actually, ito guys, galing to sa IKEA. Bigay lang ng bayaw ko sa akin yan. And then, ginawa ko siyang, kasi nag-work from home ako. So, nilagay ko siya dito sa kwarto. So, ito, lahat pang nails ko yan. And then, dito, half of that is mga gamit ko rin. Pero, half that is like office supply. So, yeah. Kasi, ang gamit ko, guys, di ko na alam kung saan ko ilalagay. So, may mga gloves ako dyan. And then, dito sa kabilang area na to, yeah, may mga gamit pa rin ako dyan. Meron din akong gamit sa ilalim ng kama. So, let's go back. Okay. Then, let's set this up. I think I'm just gonna put this here. Okay, that works. And then, ganyan. I think ibaba ko siya ng konti kasi hindi siya ganun kahaba. And then make sure it's sidewall to sidewall. Yeah, I will have to like put it all the way like that. Like, not halfway, but at least like 1/4. Kasi if I put it up here, as you can see, I have like not covering my sidewall. So, I'm gonna put it all the way here. So, ang sizes ng Apray is, meron silang 0.5. Okay, let's go for 0.5. So, the lower the number, the bigger the size. Again, itong Apray is maliliit yung sizes niya. So, I'll go down. Let's try 7. If I go up, I think I'm gonna go down 6.5. This one is just right. Yep. That's it. Then, for my nail glue, I will be using my Saviland 4-in-1 nail glue gel. I haven't tried this one, so we'll see kung ano itsura niya. Ayoko kasi yung parang, alam mo yung nag-yellow sila afterwards. So, let's see. So, ayan yung kanyang instruction. It came with 2 nail glue. Ayan siya, sira. Tagal ko na na-order to guys, pero hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. Tagal na nakatambak to. Bayan slippers. Ayan siya. Babasagin. Let's see kung runny. Okay. Hindi siya runny, guys. Ano siya? Very thick viscosity. And then, meron siya ditong naka-warm tips. Must be cured with UV and LED lamp. Keep tightly sealed. Keep out of sunshine. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. So, make sure i-cure nyo mabuti to guys. Kasi, you can get allergic reaction kapag hindi nyo siya kinure ng mabuti. Let's try that. And also, itong aking, itong goose lamp ko is from Saviland as well. I will link all the link in the description box. Okay. So, for this one, I won't put any primer or dehydrator just because I kept changing my nail set. So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng nail dehydrator. And I'm not gonna etch this one as well kasi I will change this soon. So, we'll see kung maglalas without etching at saka without nail dehydrator or primer. We'll see. And it says here 4-in-1. So I'm gonna use this as my base. So let me just remove this first. Oh, this is really thick. Thick. Sana hindi siya nag-yellow. Wow, that's thick, guys. But let's see the quality. Because usually I use Beetles. So yung Beetles talaga naglalas yun. But we'll see Saviland. I hope it doesn't turn like yellowish. Because usually with gel, it turns yellowish. And then, let's try my Melody Susie. So I didn't know it's chargeable. So, turn this on. 30 seconds. If you want it low heat, you can click 99 seconds. It's gonna turn to 99 seconds. And then it's automatic. So you can just put your nails inside. But I'm not gonna use the low heat. I'll go for 60 seconds. So you can click this manually. You can use it as like, pag pinasok mo yung kamay mo, automatic na siya. Make sure to fully cure the gel para hindi kayo magkaroon ng allergic reaction. And also, look at this, guys. Sobrang haba na nito. Hindi ko alam kung na-upload ko na yung video nito. Pero, kung na-upload ko na siya, guys, ililink ko siya dyan sa taas. Pero natural nails ko yan. As you can see, ang haba na, ang dugyot na ng ilalim niya. Yeah. Natural nails ko yan. Nag-overlay ako ng polygel. Kailangan ko na rin palitan to. Kapag ito maganda, tapos hindi nag-yellow. Let's see. Usually nakikita ko yan dyan eh. Okay, let's try. Then let's try to put this. Balik ko lang to, guys. Balik ko siya dyan. I don't want to ruin my lamp, pero we gotta do what we gotta do. No. Let's turn that on. And then let's put this. Again, Saviland. Oh, it's super thick. Sana kasya pa rin siya kasi usually pag nilagyan mo na ng gel yung nails mo, usually kahit na malaki yung size, hey, get down. Yung size ng nail tips na ginamit nyo, sometimes, nag-shrink siya. So, let's see this. If it's gonna work. Elijah, get down. Ulit ng pusa. Okay. Oh. See? Kulang. So, let's just do that again. Ay, naku, ang mga pusa ko. Get down. Naku, mga buhok ni Luday. Slippers, get down. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna apply a little bit dito. Okay, let's try this again. Let me cure itong top muna. It's just that I'm trying my best to make sure it's sidewall to sidewall. Let me just cure the top first. Okay, and then now let's go. So as you can see, kinure ko muna tong top. Tas dito hindi pa to cured, guys. So as you can see, ayan na siya sa ilalim. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. these tips sa Apres, maliit yung sizes niya. At maliit yung sizes niya. So, as you can see, ayan siya sa sidewall. Ayan siya sa sidewall. Ayan siya sa ilalim. And then, I have a little bit of gap dito. So, lalagyan ko lang ng gel yan mamaya. Hindi ko na siya ipa-file. Lalagyan ko lang ng gel on top. Okay? And then, let's go ahead and continue dito sa 4 fingers ko, sa 4 nails ko. So, the only reason na ayoko minsan kinikip yung natural nails ko is kapag sobrang long nung natural nails nyo, since may curve dito, sometimes kailangan nyo kasi i-push down tong tips, diba? So, ang tendency is kapag sobrang naka-down na to, yun dito is umaangat. And then, ang nangyayari, kapag yun dito, kinure nyo muna, kapag pinilit nyo i-push this down, yun dito na, parang ano siya, nape-pressure siya masyadong, alam mo yun, nagre-react siya. So, yeah. So, I have some gel dyan. So, I will clean that later. And then, you see here, oh, meron akong bubbles. So, don't worry. I know how to fix that. Okay, guys. So, this is how it looks like. Now, I gotta fix this. So, pinanasan ko alcohol. Ngayon, namumuti na siya. File ko lang siya ng konti. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng base. File ko lang to. See that? Meron akong overflow na gel dyan. So, here, I'm just removing yung mga excess gel. So, I'm using my electric nail drill para i-remove yung mga excess gel. These are my finished product. So, now I'm ready for my gel polish. So, for gel polish, I will be using my Una Gela. I will be applying primer muna para mas maganda yung kapit ng gel. Okay, and also for the design, guys, I'm just gonna go with whatever design because for this video, I'm just trying to review yung nail lamp. And so far, yung nail lamp is really good. Actually, ang ganda ng pagka-cure ng gel polish using this lamp. Also, for the design, I'm just gonna put like random butterflies everywhere. And then for my transfer sticker glue, I will be using the Nicole Diary. So this is one of the best, at least for me, the best nail sticker glue na nagamit ko. Just make sure to cure this gel complete 60 seconds dapat. Kasi pag hindi, hindi siya didikit na maayos. So make sure it's 60 seconds. And then, I will be using acetone para i-wipe yung sticky layer. So, if you want your chrome powder not to stick sa inyong nail design, make sure to wipe it with acetone. So, dito, I'm just trying to make some, random swirls. And then here that, and then that's it. Not so complicated. Yeah, if you don't want your chrome to be sticking on your, all over your nails, just try to wipe it using your acetone. Any acetone will do. As you can see, my chrome powder is not sticking anywhere or everywhere. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Nicole Diary. And then here's the finished product, guys. So I know it's really simple. Yeah, it's just a random design because I'm just trying to review yung kanila Melody Susie na nail lamp. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It will definitely help this channel to grow. I know it's taking a little bit longer for this channel to grow, and I'm not always, you know, active when it comes to uploading because I do have a full-time job. So yeah, so for this one, I highly recommend this Melody Susie. You can also use this for work, but make sure you have a spare nail lamp because you will have to charge this. So as you can see, I will be showing you guys kung ilang battery life pa meron siya. So for this one, I will have to charge this na. So on my next set, I can, you know, use it for my whole set. So you can use this nail lamp for a whole set. But anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. So I hope you guys like it. Enjoy your day, have a good one, and see you guys on my next one. Bye!